Can a couple of lines of text outshine years of art school? Tonight we are diving deep into AI-generated images and video, and crucially, whether that tech will really replace human designers. Buckle up. First, a quick primer. In the image world, the headline models right now are Flux Ultra, which can split out a 4 megapixel raw style frame in about 10 seconds, and the GPT-4 image, the first truly multimodal engine that gets both words and brand context. On the moving picture side, we have Google Veo 3, which turns a prompt into 1018 pixels clip with sound and near perfect lip sync. MAGI 1, an open source frame by frame playground, and Seedance 1.0, which lets you push the same prompt into image and video generation in one pass. Remember the core difference: generating one gorgeous still is hard. Generating 30 of them per second with continuity and audio is different beast entirely. Okay, to panorama lighting round. Flux Ultra raw output loves detail, great for later upscaling. GPT-4 image understands how style right from prompt, practically an APA for brand safe visuals. Veo-free, realism, motion, lips, sound, all baked in. MAGI 1, open, hackable, you can control each keyframe. Seedance, one prompt, two outputs, still and motion, plus an inline editor. Enough theory. Showreel time. Picture a futuristic fashion lookbook. Flux knocks out a spotless portrait on a poured concert floor under softbox lighting. Veo follows up with a 12-second catwalk from corridor, slow motion, ambient techno pulsating underneath. Next, a neon-drenched Sabir city. MAGI 1 loops a night vision rain shot. Seedance adds a low poly anime vibe in real time. Finally, a product storyboard. GPT-4 generates 8 iconographic frames. Seedance animates them into a split screen. Sounds like magic, right? Here is why creatives loves it. Iteration happens in seconds, not days. Brainstorming is practically free, and the same models that sketch your mood board can crack out a teaser video before lunch. But there are landmines. Weird hands, ghosting between frames, storylines that evaporate after 8 seconds. No clear answers yet on copywriting for Trina data. And let's be honest, prompt engineering fatigue, 50 tiny tweaks just to replace one pencil sketch. Now, the big question, will AI replace designers? Let's wait in. On the side, yes, AI automates the routine. One click equals 100 colorways for the same thinker. The World Economic Forum even ranks graphic design in the top dozen fields likely to shrink by 2030. 40+% of surveyed exos admit they are eyeing headcount cuts thanks to automation. On the no side, creative intent still matters. AI can't invent a brief, build a brand voice, or feel a vibe. The same with a report also forecasts 70 plus million new jobs tied to AI, and substantially Figma's latest survey, 72% of designers say AI sped up their workflow. Only 8% feel redented. My take: AI will replace tasks, not people. Anything repetitive and texture heavy, gone. Vision, taste, narrative, client empathy, those stay human. So what does a 2025 hybrid workflow look like? Brieflands, GPT-4 and Flux draft free visual styles in minutes. Veo or MAGI pre-visualize motion from the same seed. The designer, cart spacing, emotion, brand, nuance. Then it's polish, manual retouch, color grade, foley, and finally AI again for upscaling and captions. Bottom line, AI is a turbo brush. It frees us from cloning layers in Photoshop and lets us focus on concept, story, and style. Ignore it, and you may land on the downsizing chart. Master it, and you become the super designer of the decade. So, which part of your creative routine could AI really handle tomorrow? Drop a comment below, hit a subscribe and like, and see you in the next week. Thanks for watching.